My name is Benjamin.
My name is Christopher.
My name is Joshua.
My name is Sardonyx.
I'm Hakeem.
My name is Isaiah Fagori, currently a consultant at Sardonyx Technologies and also an instructor at Sardonyx Education. A licensed penetration tester with over 3 decades in IT industry and with well over a decade in cybersecurity space. So we have our first set of internship that just concluded.
Moving from the training period, we were privileged to join the internship program that was organized by Sardonyx Education.
From their experience, it's been a wonderful journey because many came in without any knowledge at all, and today they can boldly stand, and we can boldly stand and say yes, they are good to go and ready for the industry.
My name is Benjamin Inua, and I'm a cybersecurity intern at Sardonyx Technologies. I studied statistics in the university. On my journey in cybersecurity a year ago, having no background in cybersecurity.
My name is Solomon Williams. I used to be an hairstylist.
My name is Shua Christopher, and I'm an intern at Sardonyx Technologies. I've been an intern for the past 9 months.
My name is Joshua Kolezi Chukwibuka. I'm a medical person, so in the field of human anatomy.
I'm Hakeem. I used to be a forex trader, but cybersecurity has been a long time dream for me.
So what I studied in school didn't match anything related to cybersecurity at all.
When I heard of cybersecurity, I dug deep, I made my research, and I saw what it was all about. My interest was piqued.
I was enthusiastic about technology, and I wanted to know more about security generally.
So cybersecurity need computer skills, but me, I have a medical skills, so it was a big tactic for me.
It's been a tough ride, but it's something I'll do all over again if I was given a chance to start.
There's a saying that real knowledge is the real power. Alexander Pope, he said that little knowledge is dangerous. Since it has been my dream, so I decided to just go deeply into it, to hone my skills, to be the very best version of myself.
Zero to Hero program, you can come in without any cybersecurity experience, with at least minimal IT experience, and we groom you from that level, taking you through NDE, EHE, Ethical Hacking Essentials, DFE, Digital Forensic Essentials, also through the CCT program that Sardonyx Technology, in partnership with organizations like EC Council, Microsoft, and so many other partnerships that exist.
When I got to Sardonyx Education, I was taught the basics of cybersecurity, from networking, ethical hacking, web application testing, and so on.
I finished my ethical hacking course, ethical hacking and countermeasures, and right after that I got this intern role.
My internship has been rigorous, to be honest. It has been rigorous, but my bosses have made everything seamless and makes it look easy from outside. Look like if I'm saying, be like, oh, the job is kind of easy and stuff, but trust me, when you're actually in there, you know it's hard, bro.
The internship, I would say it's full of challenges, but under the guidance of our instructor, it has been a journey worth taking, a decision worth making.
The journey has been very interesting so far, aligning with the goals and objectives of Sardonyx Technologies, which is to raise a new generation of leaders in the cybersecurity space and also to pioneer Silicon Valley of cybersecurity in Nigeria. Our boss, Mr. Adedotun Adewosi, has been at the forefront of this for well over 13 years, and it's been a very, very wonderful journey. Along the line, he has been able to train some of us, and he has been able to bring many of us on board. So currently at Sardonyx Technologies, we have a lineup of instructors that do well to train in classes.
So let's hack this beautiful Android. Of course, I have an Android operating system, and some people wonder that how come you have an Android on your system? Well, it's for hacking purposes. So what I'm going to be doing here is just a simple idea. Like some of you that download streaming apps, how do they get access to your system? Like if I want to hack about 100 people, I can use all their system for crypto mining if I want to, just from an application.
We've had wonderful instructors who have taken out their time, effort, resources to invest in us.
It's made it very easy. They are approachable. You can ask questions, call them at any point in time, and they're always willing to talk to you, willing to put you through. I think I'm actually blessed and privileged to have bosses like them to guide me through my cybersecurity journey.
The instructors were awesome. The environment was wonderful. It created a great experience for me throughout the training period.
The classes are structured in such a way whereby a beginner, total beginner, you would find comfort in the method and methodologies to which we use in teaching and delivering our curriculum. Our curriculums are robust and also factors in the fact that the learning speed differs. So we narrow down and we don't leave our weak students. It's our culture in Sardonyx not to leave the weak ones.
Always update your system, right? Use validated input. Now, and always monitor your system. If you have friends that do websites, that's the first thing you tell them. Look, I have people that can help you do website. Or when you get your certification, I also can help you validate website. Now, this is very important because small scale businesses, all of them, you just want to do websites, right? You see someone selling clothes, small scale businesses, they are developing websites to make their life easier. Fine. Right. Now, most of you fill your information on those websites. Some of you fill your credit card details on that website. Most people don't use third party like Flutterwave, like Paystar. Some of them even use it themselves. They are stored on their website. Now, if I tag those kind of simple websites, I can see a lot of information. So, avoid small scale businesses, people that are selling phones and selling clothing, all these small scale that just create websites. Let them know that every website needs security.
So for example, now I need 2 terabytes of storage. I have to go to the market and buy that. I don't have money for 2 terabytes of storage, right? And Microsoft, for example, has come together and they did what we call a virtualization, aka Azure, in quotes, cloud computing, whereby I can just pay a token and I will get access to that 2 terabytes for just a token, right? That's the essence of virtualization. And making it simple and making it easily accessible has equally created so much problems. And one of those so much problems is security.
Not do. Now let's look beautiful. I can look at the device info. I can look at the camera. I can take this person's picture and they will not know. I can start a video. I'm using your phone. Like most of you like this, you have to download on your phone, you don't even know.
Right now, where I was earlier, where I'm at right now, I can tell that there's a big difference. I've improved my skills in web application testing. I've also become versatile with my research and my network infrastructure testing.
I was able to join my colleagues to gain hands-on experience in ethical hacking labs, vulnerability assessments, penetration testing, OSINTs, and so many other interesting things.
I mean, sometimes I get questions, especially from family and friends, and be like, "Oh, Solomon, it's cybersecurity, that's cool. I mean, you're always your system, you're always working, you can do this, you can do that." Yeah, while all of these are possible, there's a work you have to put into it. You didn't just wake up and start taking over systems.
I've been able to work on a lot of projects with my consistency, so I'm becoming the best version of myself. There's 1,000 excuses to give up, but they were never a good reasons. Though cybersecurity is complex, but getting yourself with the right information would make the journey worth making.
During the internship program, I won't say it was difficult, but it was challenging actually, because they gave us a lot of tasks which we have to meet deadlines.
The internship has actually helped me, first of all, to see that there were hidden potentials in me. It brought about me discovering some of those things, some of which are collaborations. Before the internship, I was more of a lone ranger. I usually love to do things on my own, but I learned how to collaborate, which is a very important aspect of cybersecurity.
For me, I would recommend Sardonyx because they're excellent tutors, top industry experts.
To further your knowledge in at whatever level that you have gotten to in the cybersecurity space, I would recommend Sardonyx Education because their instructors are wonderful.
If you were to walk up to me and ask me, "Oh, Solomon, what do you think about Sardonyx?" Trust me, it's a gift that keeps giving. They make you feel like family more than a worker. So I would recommend Sardonyx Education 10 over 10.
Yeah, so after the internship, in the next few years, I see myself as one of the top ethical hackers, not just in Nigeria, but in the world, having an organization.
We ensure by virtue of assignments, by virtue of capstone projects, presentations, from time to time and do proper follow-up on each of our students to ensure that they get the best and they're able to deliver at the quality and standard that Sardonyx Education and Technology is known for.
My name is Benjamin.
My name is Christopher.
My name is Joshua.
My name is Solomon.
I'm Hakeem Olaraji.